In this video, we're going to learn how you can create a speedometer chart for your Excel dashboard. Picture this. I have a drop down of my companies or customers that I need to gauge their different metrics of satisfaction in percentage. This is in percentage form. Now, I would want to check what happens if I change, say, to Lavington Apparel or Ngong Road Motor. For you to create a speedometer chart, you'll need to have the right data in place. For this case, we have the first data table that has the performance level, that is poor, average, good, excellent, and the values. We'll have the labels right from 10 in space of 10, 10, 10 up to 100. Then this is adding from the next cell so that these are the spacing. Then we have also the various metrics which I've put on the sheet called key performance indicators. This is the customer name, metric 1, 2, 3 up to 4. All of it, each metric is up to 100. Then now to insert my chart, I'll go to sheet 1, go to insert, go to all charts, or you can select pie chart, then click donut chart. Step 2 is to add data to this chart. So we first add data, select data, then we're going to add here the category series, which is the performance labels. Then I'm going to call this category. Category will come from the values that, from this series values, I'll pick these values from 20 to 245. This is the total value for the various performance labels. Then I click OK, then click OK again. On format data series, on the angle of first slice, change this to 270 degrees. That's the first step. The second step is to add the values here from the labels, that is from 10 to 100. So I'll go to select data, add. I'm going to call these labels. Then pick the values, which will pick from this point all the way to 100. Then click OK. Now I have two series, each from 0 to 100. The third step is to add the metrics. So I'll add metric 1 data, select data. Then I'm going to call this metrics. This is a metric data. The metric data will come from 95, 1, and 104. But what is our focus here is Ngong Road Motors is performance. The metric 1 is 95%. Then I'll click OK. Once I'm done, I'm going to change the metrics data to a pie chart and the labels and category data to donut charts. So I'll go to change chart type, pick combo. From combo, category will be donut chart. The labels will be a donut as well, while metrics, this is what is going to create our speedometer, will be changed to pie. Once I'm done, I want to make sure that all my angle of first slice is at 270 degrees. So I'll click on the first one, check it. So this should be 270 degrees. So everything is at 270 degrees, even this. I need to change this, make sure the angle of first slice is at 270 degrees. Once I'm done, I'm going to check the lower pies here, or the lower pies here, and change that to transparent. So I'll fill this, no fill. Then for the performances, these are the labels, which is poor, average, good, and excellent. I'm going to give it a custom color. So I'll pick this, the first one will be red color, which I'm going to, that is a poor. I'm going to fill this, make sure solid fill, and fill it with red. The second one is average. I'm going to fill it, solid fill it with say the color blue. The third one, I'm going to fill the third one with a solid fill and fill it with yellow. Then excellent, I'm going to fill it with green, solid, then fill this with green. Once I'm done, I'm going to put now the category labels. I'm going to assign numbers between 10 to 100. So I'll click on this. I pick value from cells, then pick 10 to 100. Then click OK. In the categories, add chart elements, data label options. Then I'll pick such that we pick these values from cells, and the values that we're picking is poor, average, good, and excellent. Then I click OK, so that I have those values there. Make sure there is no value, so that I only remain with the names poor, average, good, excellent. Change the color for the pointer so that my color is red. Then I can also make it explode a little so that can come out a little as the pointer, like that. Now once I'm done, I can now increase the size of my pies, so that my pie is more visible. Now I can add a title to my chart by going to design, add chart element, chart title, then chart title above chart. Then I'll link this chart by clicking, selecting this, then go to the formula bar, equal sign, and link it with metric 1. So that should metric 1 change, should the customer name change, it will give you the metric is going to change automatically. You can alternatively also link this to the customer name, so that whenever the customer name changes from my drop down, I'll pick that and it will pick me this. Now this utilizes a VLOOKUP that looks up for the customer name and picks it from this table here and gives you what's in the second column. So that is why we get this 95, which is for Ngong Road Motors, which is this value 95. And that is how you can create a speedometer chart. Thanks for watching.